Kwa hivyo zinafanywa siri siri. Mwingine alienda akaingiza zikapotea elfu hamsini. Zilipopotea maana sasa hana hadha.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Good morning, guys. It's another beautiful day. I'm preparing my children to go to school. I don't know what happened to my voice, but I think I'm going to buy an antibiotic. Yeah, so let me show you what I'm preparing. This is tea, and then some egg. Then I'm going to pack for them there. I'll pack for them here.
Good morning, guys.
Yeah, so you're preparing?
Yeah, I'm wearing my socks.
Okay, hurry up. Yeah. Okay, finish up. Check.
What?
You think it's ready? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my voice has broken, I don't know why, and actually I have some cockroaches in my house. I'm trying to buy the medicine for cockroaches. If you know what I should do, please comment down below about cockroaches, guys. They're disturbing me. I don't know what to do, and I wash the dishes. Maybe it's because children pour food down. Anyway, my voice is also broken. So this is the guy who is going to sell for me this cockroach. So you say this one is going to work? This is going to work? Okay. Yeah, so he said this is going to work. So let me try. If not, I'll have to call fumigation services, guys. Yeah, so let me finish up.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna.
What's up, everybody? It's another beautiful day, and we are going to church right now. Say hi to the people.
Hi guys. Hi.
Yeah, so we are a bit late. Yeah, so that's why we decided to take like an Uber, because it's kind of at least affordable. It's the same like when I use motorbike, because I pay like 200 bob, and probably that's what I'm going to pay. 200 bob is like $1, $1 or $2 there. Yeah, so I'll see you guys after church, and my voice is getting better, isn't it, Hailey? Yeah, I took antibiotics. I was not feeling well. The last week I had a lot of issues. I was so busy, but at least now I can say I'm better. So ciao guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Kwa sababu wewe ni Mungu mwaminifu na wewe ni Mungu wa ushindi. Ninakutumikia kwa sababu mimi sina Mungu mwingine.